Hey, great, you found us. Thanks for tuning in. This is Not Good at Normal. This is T with Not Good at Normal, and we have another craft project. I've been very creative lately, not only with the videos and Instagram and taking photos, because I used to be a photographer and I just love doing that, but any type of creative activity. I mean, especially now when we're home a lot more, but spring is starting, so I'm trying to go out a lot more, get more pictures of my awesome car and some murals. But if I don't do anything creative, then I get stir crazy and go crazy myself. So this is a little project that I am doing. I'm making it for my daughter because she collects crystals and stones, and I thought maybe she could paint it or stain it or however she wants to do it. It's up to her. But these are just boxes that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they had a lid on it. Actually, hair is free. It had a lid on it, and it had like a little cutout. Most of them had houses, and obviously I didn't need that, but I took that little part out so I can make something else with this. So I'm just hot glue, putting these together. And I don't know, I have an extra one, so maybe I'll do one at the bottom or at the top. But anyway, so far, that's the way it looks. So then I made myself one, but I actually bought some poplar, real thin poplar, and I cut it, measured it, and I really liked that. It turned out great. But I figured, you know what, this is already almost ready to go. So also with this one, you want to put some glue underneath there. So you put it in, if I can get this to set up right. It's probably not gonna work, but like that. Put a little bead of glue in the opening so that it's just sturdier. So that's a cute little inexpensive display case, or put stuff here and in here, and obviously something very light in these. But then you've got several openings. You could hang it on a wall if you don't have lime plaster, because you can't get anything in plaster. Or you could set it on a table, or set it on a shelf. Let's go look at the one I made and see where that's at. So here is the one I made, and I will show you a picture of it without all my little accoutrements. I wanted an apothecary type of shelf, and I couldn't find one that I wanted, so I made one myself. I wanted 4-inch, 4.5, and then I wanted larger ones in the middle. So these are all my vitamins. No, I don't take a bunch of drugs. They're just vitamins. And then some of my little resin products. See, things I made. Decorated it really cool. Wizard of Oz, because I love Wizard of Oz, and so obviously it's display as well as, there's my cool car. Me when I looked good that day. Cool car. Favorite pictures of my car. Up against this really awesome fireplace. My awesome sparse decorations. But anyway, this is the one that I made, and I think it's really awesome. I just got some foam board from the Dollar Tree and painted it silver, because I'm going to do some silver and mirrored accents in this room. And I think I will just go ahead and keep this one this color. I really like it, just plain. Sometimes I stain stuff like cherry wood or something, mahogany, but I really like this just the way it is. So that's a very simple, easy project. So this is another project I'm working on. Hopefully I will have it finished tonight. Oh, and there's the little lid. But this was started out as a black rolling cart. Hair everywhere. And it's going to be silver on the sides, and I have some, I'm not sure what I did with it, some mirror that's going to be on it. I saw it on, and I will leave the link. Here comes Kitty. Hi, Mia. Mia says hi. So spray paint, and I saw it on, she says her name so fast, so I'll have to leave a link. But it was so awesome, and she's a fantastic crafty do-it-yourselfer on YouTube. So go check it out. Link will be below. And hopefully I will then have another, or maybe even this will be at the end of this video. I don't know. So this part of the project requires, I already spray painted 3 boards, silver, and I marked where I wanted the silver to show up. Now I'm going to put the Mod Podge, get it in there. I always say it wrong. Anyway, that is super glossy, and I'm going to put that right in here, and then cover it with these crushed glass crystals. Okay, so we're going to try to do this with one hand. I tried to get the Mod Podge on fairly thick so it would stick, but we shall see. And I have a big cardboard that I've been using for the paint and everything. So I can just pick up all the extra little pieces of glass mirror and reuse it. Because I have 3 of these babies to do. And now it's just a matter of affixing these panels to the front 3 drawers, putting some little knobs on them, and making sure the knobs are very, very sturdy so you can pull it out, and there's the finished product. I really like it. It's a little bit of glam in my soon-to-be all-white Hollywood bedroom. Thanks for listening. This is T with Not Good at Normal. You can catch us with all the socials on notgoodatnormal.com, Not Good at Normal on Instagram and Facebook page. And leave a comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. If you think you're going to try one of these easy to do projects, or what your creative outlet is, because I'd like to know. Thanks for listening. I will see you the next time.